As a top listing agent, I will make every effort to ensure your selling experience is as smooth and stress-free as possible. My team and I can get you from selling to sold, fast and for top dollar. Call me to schedule a free market consultation. Large 3-bedroom home now available in Camden Park. Home features a vaulted ceiling and beautiful tile throughout. Home also features a huge open floor plan, perfect for entertaining. The large fully fenced backyard is great for grilling and events. Tenants are on month-to-month and may move at end of August.